Hello everyone, my name is Enrique Arellano and I will be your guide for this training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Seesaw account and get started. In a brief summary, let me tell you what Seesaw is and the basic idea of its use in the classroom. Seesaw is a digital portfolio for students and a parent-teacher communicator program provided on the computer and iPads as an application. Students can respond to your activities assigned, and they can respond in creative ways such as voice recordings, drawings, pictures, and even video recordings. Students can work remotely from home. This training video is divided into 3 different sections based on the performance objectives. By the end of this training, you will be able to create a Seesaw account using your computer and credentials with 100% accuracy. You're going to be able to set up 1 or 2 classes in your Seesaw account, and you're going to be able to add students to one of your Seesaw classes. The materials that you're going to need is your computer and an internet connection. Prerequisites for this training is to be able to navigate the web and be able to download applications on mobile devices such as a tablet. Section 1. Setting up your account. So first, you're going to open your internet browser. You can use Firefox, Safari, or Google Chrome. I will be using Google Chrome. On your search bar, you're going to search seesaw.me. Once you're here, you're going to find sign up for free and you're going to click on it. Once you're here, make sure that you select I'm a teacher. And once you're here, using your school credentials, you can sign up with your Google account right here, or you can type your credentials here. Once you're in, it will show you a quick guide to get you started along with the video to tell you the basics of Seesaw. It doesn't show me that because I already have an account, but it does show me the video. And you're done creating the account. Now let's go to section 2, setting up your classes. In this section, I will guide you in setting up a class or 2 for your students. So first, you're going to go to your name on the upper left-hand corner right here. You're going to click on that. Once you're in here, you're going to click Create New Class. Here, you're going to name your class, and I advise you that if you have multiple classes and you rotate with other teachers, to be specific on what you want to name your class. So for example, I rotate with 2 other teachers, so I will name my class with the teacher's last name. In this case, I'm only going to call it Sample Class 1. And you select the grade level here. You click on the green check mark and you're done creating a class. Here, to add another class, you go back to your name. You click Create Your Class, and this is where you can add the second teacher, grade level, check, and you're done. So you will click your name and this is where your classes will appear. Alright, so now let's go to section 3, adding students to your classes. Alright, in this section I'm going to show you how to add students to your classes that you just created. There's different ways to do this, so one of the first ways is to go to the wrench in the upper right hand corner right here. Here you can either click Add Students or Manage Students. It will give you the same screen. Once you're here, you can enter the student ID if you already have them on your grade book. If not, then you can type the name here. I'm just going to call them Sample Student 1. You can click Look Up. Now, if the ID number is not found, you can type the name here. Again, Sample Student 1. And once you create student, it's going to give you different options of the students that it found on your system. If it's not found, make sure you match the ID number. If it's not in there, you click No, Create New Student, and then it will let you create the student. And that's how you add the student. Another way that you can do this is by going down here where it says Add Students, and it will bring you to this screen. You simply click on Add Students and it will bring you to the same screen, and this is where you do the adding student. Sample Student 2, Sample Student 2. You look for him. If he's not in here, you click No, Create, and he will be added. Now, a much easier way is before you create the classes, like on section 2, up here on your name, when you click create new class, here you can import your class from your Google Classroom. If you're not logged in, it's going to ask you for your credentials, and then it's going to take you to your classes. You can select your class, select your grade level, and then you click import class, and it will import all of your students if you are already using Google Classroom. And that's how you add students to your classes. Congratulations, you've completed the training. Make sure to go to the website provided, then click on the evaluation tab and complete the survey. You may watch this video again to review or to refresh your knowledge. Thank you so much.